This homemade spaghetti, always a hit in my household. Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, we're making homemade spaghetti. Extremely flavorful, but very easy to make. Before we begin, please take a quick moment to subscribe if you're new to my channel. Also, if you like today's recipe, be sure to give it a thumbs up and let's jump right into the recipe. Okay guys, first thing first, we are going to boil the spaghetti. I am going to add some chicken bouillon to the spaghetti water as well as some salt and give that a stir, cover it, allow it to come to a boil. Basically, I'm following the instruction on the packaging. I'm using linguine for today's recipe. I don't know why I call it spaghetti, but I'm using linguine. Don't mind me. Of course, you can use spaghetti, but yeah. I'm going to add the pasta into the water once my water starts boiling, of course, and we're going to cover it. Boil it for about 10 minutes or until your pasta is al dente. Now this is about 10 minutes later. As you can see, the pasta is nice and cooked. I am going to set it aside. Pour out the hot water. Do not pour any cold water to your pasta, okay? Don't do it. I'm watching you because that will prevent the sauce from clinging onto the pasta. So yeah. Now to another saucepan, I am going to drizzle some olive oil. Then we are going to add our Italian sausage. Of course, you can use ground beef, but Italian sausage are way better than a ground beef to me. Try it out and you will thank me later. So I'm going to just use my fork to break the sausages. Next, we're going to be adding the onions. We're going to cook that together. Now I am going to be adding the sauce. Now this was supposed to be dinner, guys, and I said, okay, let me just film a video and show you guys how I make my homemade spaghetti for the family. They love themselves some spaghetti, so that's why this video is kind of short, okay? And it's very simple to make for me. Whenever I want to make something quick, I always go for spaghetti because it's easy to make. Yeah, I added a little bit of water to the container and shake it up and pour it in there. Not a lot of water though. Now I am going to show you guys the seasoning we're going to be using. I'm using complete seasoning. I'm using onion powder, garlic powder, sazon, as well as some Italian seasoning, paprika, as well as some ground black pepper. Yes, they will be below for you. What you're going to do now, you're going to cover this, allow it to simmer for about 20 minutes for the sauce to be nice and cooked so it doesn't taste tomatoey. You know what I mean? And also the sausage, so the sauces can be nice and soft and tender. Okay, so this is about like 20 minutes later. You should cook this on medium low heat, by the way, so you don't burn it. Obviously, this was boiling way too fast. So yeah, this is about 20 minutes later. As you can see, the sauce kind of reduced, and I am basically going to grab my spaghetti. If you want, you can mix everything together, or you can just take the spaghetti, pour the sauce over it on your plate. It's up to you, okay? But I like to mix everything together, and if you want, you can add some sugar. But guys, my family doesn't like the sugar. I do. But so for today's recipe, we're just gonna not add the sugar, but usually I do add a little bit of sugar, especially if there is pepper flakes in there. Now we're going to plate the food, okay? Because I talk way too much. I'm rumbling. So I am going to add a little bit of fresh parsley on top to garnish, as well as some Parmesan cheese. And there you have it. Very easy homemade spaghetti. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Let me know down below if you're going to try it. It's very easy. Like I said, this shouldn't take you no more than 40 minutes to make for the family, especially if you just came from work or you're trying to make something quick. Try this out. Very easy. Don't forget to like this video if you did enjoy it. Also subscribe if you're new to my channel. We are at 1 million, I think. We should be at 1 million by the time this video is posted. Thank you to you all. I am grateful. I am happy. I am everything in the book. There will be a video special for this one, so stay tuned for it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys